If you've been craving to achieve the success that you wanted, you need to stop whatever you're doing and listen to this, because this video presentation could be your shortcut to success. In a couple of seconds, I'm going to show you the secret mindset only known to the world's top achievers and successful people, and how you can reap full benefits from it. You'll discover the power of mindset and apply them in your life to achieve your goals and massive success. You will find this to be a life-changing experience when you start to see the positive changes in your state of mind and unleash your full potential. If you want to change your life, achieve the levels of success that you wanted, and join the ranks of the world's respected and top achievers, then this is the most important news for you today. Here's why. Your success starts with a mindset designed for success. Sadly, most people are not wired to have a mindset for success. In fact, none of us were born to have this mindset. This secret mindset is only known to the successful people and can only be discovered by people yearning for success. But first, here's a shocking truth. The truth is, motivation alone is not enough for you to achieve success. In fact, before you find motivation, investing in a success coach and burning that midnight oil to grind your way to success, this one crucial mindset that you may not have is growth mindset. Now, let me tell you why. Having the desire, motivation, and the urge for change is not enough to achieve success. Motivation will only be there for a few days, and it will slow down. I understand if you're frustrated with the fact that you were motivated, so high energy, but then after a few days, the motivation starts to run down. You feel out of gas, you begin to lose traction, you begin to go back to the old, unproductive, self-destructing habit and fall into deep depression. This is where your success mindset comes in. Well, today's your most important day, because I'm going to reveal to you the success mindset of the world's most respected and top achievers, so you can have the mindset to achieve the success you deserve. Just know that I've spent countless hours trying to crack the code for success to ensure that these tried and proven methods can give you the best experience out of your life-changing journey. And here's your golden opportunity to learn my secrets so you can achieve your goals and enjoy great success. There is no way in the world you will achieve your goals and attain the level of success you wanted if you don't have this mindset. Today, I'm sharing with you the method that had brought me immense wealth, health, and success to implement into your future. Now is your rare opportunity to discover the power of your mindset in driving you towards your ultimate goal. Your frustration ends here. This might just be the game changer you've been looking for, considering that be positive, creative, high energy, and motivated. Deal with failures, setbacks, and challenges differently from 90% of the population. No stress involved. Be at your very best self. Have the ability to master any skills or areas of your life. Become the top performer in your personal and professional life. Accomplish so much more than you ever thought possible. Experience exponential growth in your character values. Have a more fulfilling life knowing you are progressing every day to be better. Most important, you will shortcut your way to success. You will start to see positive results and notice incredible changes when you apply what you're about to learn in growth mindset in as fast as 30 days. Introducing growth mindset, the only mindset for success. The growth mindset is the mindset of the world's top achievers and successful people for achieving massive success. You will learn the exact practices of what the world's top achievers do to achieve greatness in their life. Change your mindset now and achieve great success, and get ready to be mind blown by your own transformation. Here's what you'll get from growth mindset. 8 proven strategies practiced by the world's top achievers to develop a growth mindset. How to reverse from being trapped in a limited mindset. Get out of this situation ASAP, because it will slow you down, or worse, prevent you from attaining success. 7 ways the growth mindset people are superior in many things. The most effective ways to change your behavior and anything in life. Not the easiest way, but a 100% surefire way to get better at anything in life. 10 crucial things you will learn from failing. Failing is not bad after all. Warning, 3 types of mindset you must avoid at all cost. 1 particular trait that enables growth mindset people to improve any skills they want, and how you can do the same. Is scarcity even real? Find out the shocking truth about scarcity in Chapter 1. How do people with growth mindset think? Here's how. Chapter 3. Performance versus improvement. Which one matters? The tortoise versus the hare story. Which one of these two animals has a growth mindset? How to fight the inner negative self-talk and crush them. 5 ways to move from a limiting, self-destructing fixed mindset to a growth mindset. Hard work, persistence, and struggle aren't important? Hint, this is more important, revealed in Chapter 3. Why having a positive mindset is important in your life. How do you filter out irrelevant information? Here's how, Chapter 2. If you think mindset is just a fancy talk, this scientific research proves otherwise. Chapter 2. Are you really productive or just wasting your time being busy? You will be shocked by the difference between productive and busy. And so much more waiting to be uncovered inside. That's just scratching the surface. So here's the good news. Instead of charging this life-changing program at a ridiculous price, I'm offering this promotion to you if you act right now. You get to absorb the mind of high achievers for not $197, not even $97. You can get full access for less than the cost of a meal for 2. The reason behind the discount is because I want to help as many people like you to achieve success that you want. If you've watched the video till this point, you probably are serious about achieving success. You're just one step from achieving the success that you wanted. All you have to do is simply apply these proven strategies of the world's top achievers to change your mindset for the next 30 days. And if you don't see any improvement in your life, simply return your order within 30 days and I will give you a 100% money-back guarantee, no questions asked. Fair enough? You have my word on it. But wait, there's more. If you get growth mindset right now, you will also get these bonuses. Bonus number 1, a complete checklist. This checklist contains a step-by-step action plan for you to make sure you get the full benefits of growth mindset. By simply breaking one huge topic into easily digestible chunks, you get absolute clarity, inclusive of easy-to-follow action steps. You will gain tremendous value from this and fast-track your success. Bonus 2, comprehensive mind map. This mind map is perfect for visual learners. It outlines everything you're going to discover throughout the entire course. With just a glance, you will get a clear picture of what to expect and absorb so much more than reading through Growth Mindset by pages. You get all the bonuses absolutely free, only if you act today. Your happiness and life matters, so do whatever it takes to achieve a better future. So why wait? Click on the button below right now before this offer is gone for good.